Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to learn about some basics of MSW logo, or you can say logo programming language. So for that I have already opened MSW logo screen for you. Kindly see the video completely and learn how to do these things. Okay. First of all, I'm going to tell you about the screen. This is the MSW logo screen where my turtle is at the center position of the screen and it will display the output for the commands written. This is the commander window which I am rotating on my screen. This is commander window and it is the way to input the command. For example, we can also say that this is input window and this one is the output window. Whatever we will type here, we will get the result on the logo screen window. Okay. Now starting from the basic commands of the logo. To start from the basic command, first of all, I would like to tell you about the forward command, that is FD. FD is the forward command with the help of which my turtle will move in forward direction. And now I have to tell how many steps I want to move my turtle. For example, I want to move my turtle 80 steps forward. So I have typed 80 FD space 80. Now I am pressing execute. In this way, my turtle will move in the forward direction 80 steps. Now coming to the second command, that is backward. Backward we will write using BK. BK is backward command, and now here also we have to type how many steps I want my turtle to come back. For example, here if I want my turtle to come back 30 or 40 steps, I am typing 40. So BK 40 and pressing enter, or you can also press execute given on this window. So I have pressed enter and this is the BK 40. My turtle has moved backward in the 40 steps. Coming to the next command, that is LT. LT means I will move my turtle in the left direction. I will turn the turtle in the left direction. To turn the turtle with LT command, I have to give some angle also, with the which angle I want to move my turtle. For example, I want to move my turtle in 90 degree. So I have typed LT 90 and executing the command. See, my turtle has turned to the 90 degree in the left direction. Similarly, now to move forward, again I will use FD 80 or 70, or you can put any number as per your choice. I have taken 80 again. So my turtle has moved in the same direction in forward direction as 80 steps after turning at 90 degree. Now the next command, that is RT. RT means right. And here also I want to move right turn. Right turn means right side turn. My turtle will move and I have to tell the angle. Here I am giving 90. So my turtle had turned to 90 degree angle, right angle. Okay. Now I am using BK backward 70. So my turtle has moved in backward direction at 70 steps. Now if you see some programming has been done in commander window and it is displayed on the logo screen. If I want to erase everything and want to clear my screen of logo, then I will use CS in my commander window and my logo screen is now erased. Nothing is there and my turtle is back at the home position. In the same way, if I want to remove everything from commander window, then I will type CT clear text. My commander window is also blank now. Nothing is being shown, no text is being displayed now. Everything has been erased. Now for the next command, I have to move my turtle FD 100, for example. Now my turtle has moved FD 100. Now I am taking RT 90, FD 40. Now for the next command, I want to tell you, if I want my turtle again back at the home position from where initially we have started, for that I am using home command, HOME home. I have typed the command in the commander window and now pressing enter. See, my turtle has come back from the position from where it was to the original position where it has been initiated, where it has started. And see, it has drawn a rectangle in this way, triangle in this way. Okay, this is the use of home position. We can come to home from the screen wherever we are at the current point. So next command is hide turtle. Hide turtle means when I have completed my drawing, I want my turtle to hide. So I will use HT, hide turtle, and pressing enter, my turtle is hidden. Now if I want to see my turtle again, so I will use opposite of hide is show, ST, show turtle, ST, and my turtle will be displayed on the screen. It will be shown on the screen. Fine friends, this was about some basic commands of my MSW logo and basic things about basic windows about that, basic of the windows, commander window, logo screen. So for the next command like this, kindly subscribe the channel, like, share and subscribe with others also. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching.